customers love the advantages of online forms, such as dynamic behavior and built-in mobile views, but need to generate custom PDFs, such as a federal W-4 or an I-9 form. With frevvo, you don't have to choose. Let's take a look at how easy it is to create your custom PDF documents from an online workflow. First, we'll take a look at the W-4 form, which is commonly used as a part of an employee onboarding workflow. We'd like our users to experience the ease and simplicity of filling out an online form, but we need to generate the official W-4 form once the process is complete. First, we'll collect all the basic personal information. Fields like date, email address, social security number, etc. are always fully validated. Users cannot submit a form with invalid entries in these fields, and the system prevents the user from omitting required fields. The user can also digitally sign the form. Now that we've filled out the form, let's take a look at the generated PDF. The employee can click a button to view the generated W-4 that has all the necessary data. Once the employee confirms the data and clicks Submit, the documents can be saved to a document management system, emailed to the employee, etc. Now let's take a look at how easy it is to create these PDFs. I'm logged in to frevvo's cloud as a designer user. Let's edit the W-4 form. It's pretty straightforward. You can learn more about designing forms and workflows in other videos. Enter PDF mapping mode to upload and start mapping your PDF. We'll use a federal W-4 downloaded from the IRS website. This is a standard fillable PDF. The only thing that's missing is the signature and date fields are not fillable. You can use a tool like PDF Escape to add these as text fields and then download the fillable PDF. Now, let's go back to our form and upload the PDF we just created. Then, click on the Map Fields button, and you'll see that the PDF appears in the designer. The fields in the PDF that are available for mapping are highlighted in yellow. On the left side, the fields available in the form or workflow are displayed. All you have to do is drag and drop to map the fields. You can also map the signature and date from the online form to the PDF into the text fields you created earlier. Now that we've mapped a few fields, let's save our PDF, and we're done with the mapping process. One other thing we'll do is go back to the form and set up the button so that it displays this newly mapped PDF. Let's try it out. Fill out the form, and now when you click on the preview button, see that the new W-4 is displayed. The data is properly copied over from the workflow to the PDF. That's how easy it is. In just 5 minutes, we created a mapped PDF from our workflow. You can generate multiple PDFs as well. In this workflow, we've added 2 state PDFs, California and New York. We already saw how to map fields from the workflow into the PDF, but you can also add a precondition. Click on the precondition link and set a condition. For example, state is New York. That's all there is to it. When the employee is onboarded in New York, the workflow will generate the federal and New York W-4, and similarly for California. In this way, you can set up really complex workflows and preconditions so that only the appropriate documents are generated. It's easy to try this for yourself. Simply visit our website and sign up for a free trial. Install the employee onboarding template. It's a fully functional, pre-created example with mapped PDFs and instructions on how to try it. Thanks for watching!